Once upon a time, in a world far, far away, there lived an Eternal named Ikaris. Ikaris was unlike any other Eternal, for he had the power to fly higher than the tallest mountains and shoot beams of radiant light. Every day, Ikaris would soar through the sky, admiring the beauty of the world below. He loved to watch the sun rise and set, and he loved to help those in trouble. One day, Ikaris saw a group of lost children playing near a deep, dark forest. The forest was filled with strange creatures and witches, and the children were afraid to go home alone. Ikaris knew he had to help. He flew down to the forest, making sure to watch out for any dangers. He found the children huddled together, crying and shivering. "Hello, little ones," Ikaris said kindly. "I am Eternal Ikaris. I've come to help you find your way home." The children looked up at Ikaris with wide eyes, and he could see they were scared but also relieved. Ikaris flew with the children, guiding them through the forest and making sure they stayed safe. He used his powers to light their way and protect them from any danger. Finally, they reached the edge of the forest and saw their homes in the distance. The children cheered and hugged Ikaris, thanking him for his help. "You are very welcome," Ikaris said with a smile. "It was my pleasure to help. Remember, never be afraid to ask for help, and always be kind to others." From that day on, Ikaris continued to use his powers to help those in need. He became known as the kind and gentle Eternal who always lends a helping hand. And so, the tale of Eternal's Ikaris continues, a story of kindness, bravery, and the power of helping others. Good night, little ones, and remember to be kind to one another.